This is my Jeep, and it's Monday. I believe it's the 9th. This is just a quick update. I'm not going to do any work today. I got my sway bar in yesterday. You can see that right there. I got my new skid plate out, and what I'm doing right now is just doing some reviewing, looking at YouTube videos and Jeep, checking out Jeep forums and getting some info. Reviewing mainly to put this skid plate and gas tank. I got my gas tank inside there in the Jeep to get it out of the way for right now. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. It's just sizing up and getting ready for the fuel tank. Skid plate and fuel tank, my Jeep out. And this is my Jeep back out here. As I said earlier, I was prepping to get ready to install this skid plate and gas tank. Just checking out some of the bolt holes in the skid plate. And let's see here. On that, on the filler neck right there, there's a cutaway, I believe, in that skid plate where that goes into, where it goes into the tank. There's another bolt hole right there. Anyway, let's move over here to the other side. I'm not sure about up there. It's been about a year since I've taken this off. Now, one thing I gotta see there, you see the other bolt holes on the other side of the frame. Now, one thing that I've got to check on is you see the exhaust pipe there, and if I remember right, I'm not sure if there's a heat shield that's separate or if it's part of that. I don't think it is. I think it's separate. This area here was it was torn up pretty bad where it got hit back here. Anyway, I'm gonna have to check on that, see if I have a heat shield that goes between here and that the skid plate and gas tank. That's gonna be important. I don't want to get blown up. Anyway, that's just a quick update. I'm just looking, you know, and I thought I'd take a little video to add to it. I might even go ahead and post one to show this prep for the skid plate. Now, like I said, which has been over a year in preparation. The reason it's so delayed, when I had this all out, I decided, well, I'm going to rebuild that. And that's what the holdup was. I just finished with that about 2 weeks ago, and now that I finished with that, I don't know if I'm finished with it. I've got it in place. I'm not exactly sure if I got everything hooked up properly. You know, the vapor canister assembly and all these damn hoses. This thing here was crushed up pretty much. I got it straightened out pretty much, at least where my spare tire will fit in there. Anyway, that's an update for now. And hopefully in the next couple of days I'll be getting on this. I haven't done much today except talk because we've been getting rain off and on today. Had a lot of rain last night. And I'm working right here and I can't work with the garage door shut. So, my Jeep out.